When we got the funding from Social Investment Cymru, that was quite a game changer for us.
Welcome to Park in the Past.
Park in the Past is a KIC, Community Interest Company, and the community of interest is thriving. It is a unique project. It involves 3 different aspects. Rewilding to the 1st century AD across 120 acres of old sand and gravel quarry. We have a reconstruction of a living Roman fort, and we have health and well-being and sports.
You can do everything from your park run, you can come on the lake, but the fort itself is important. The fort is the only full-size replica in the world, and it's here in Flintshire.
Mae Buddsoddi Cymdeithasol Cymru wedi bod yma I gynorthwyo parc yr gorffennol reit o'r dechrau. Maen nhw wedi cael y benthyciau cyntaf I brynu'r lleoliad a wedi dod nôl ato ni I siarad ac I drafod cael benthyciad ymhellach. A mae'r holl benthyciadau wedi bod yn bwysig I helpu nhw ddatblygu a geblygu.
So you're here today at our annual event called Auxilia, and that represents the auxiliary soldiers, not the main soldiers of the Roman army.
So we have reenactors here from as far as Romania, and we are celebrating everything about the auxiliary soldiers.
We've got 7 horsemen today, and then we have different people, one the potter, people who make and weave and sew and stitch.
And I love the fact that this is touching and feeling the past.
Maen nhw wedi adeiladu y tŷ sy'n I weld yn y cefndir. Mae'n fwy ddiweddar, maen nhw wedi derbyn benthyciad I adeiladu yr Earth House.
It's got a big commercial aspect, and you need money. So passion, we've got it, oodles of it, but bringing in the profit is difficult. So this building is multi-purpose use, which can now be hired by lots of people, and that returns an income to the Park in the Past.
Be sy'n bwysig I parc y gorffennol ydy'r hyblygrwydd da ni wedi medru bod iddyn nhw o ran adaliadau'r benthyciad. Enghraifft ar hyn y bryd mewn cyfnod o wyliau a dalu iddyn nhw. Oherwydd bod nhw mor ddibynnol ar y tywydd, yn ystod y gaeau does na ddim byd y digwydd yma, felly does na ddim cyflog na cyllid yn dod fewn. Felly mae'r cymorth yna oddi wrthon ni wedi bod yn andros o bwysig, a mae'r berthynas yn bwysig I ddatblygu ac I gadw'r berthynas yna'n fyw.
Returning to Social Investment Cymru is absolutely critical to us, because had it been with the bank, I don't think we'd still be here. Whereas they say, let's have a look at what you're doing. They sit down with us, they talk to us, they encourage us, and yeah, they've been really helpful. And that's not just about giving you the money you want, it's about saying, should you have this money and what you can do with it? Because you need to be challenged. And it's taught me, it's taught our board lots. And I think it's been really a positive thing. Without them, we wouldn't be here.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Social Investment Cymru.